guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a Fidget Cube review, I guess. So I got a new Fidget Cube because I lost the last one, and yeah, I'm just gonna do it super fast. So, tell you each part of the Fidget. Okay. So this is the worry stone. Basically, you just rub it, and it's supposed to take all your worries away. The second one, this is the joystick. Basically, for those of us who are gamers and just need to constantly do this. This is what's called the spin. You just not working right now, but you just spin it. This is just called the click. This is called the switch. You just flip it back and forth. This is called the click. And you just click it. It's supposed to stop. It's supposed to stop this. In my opinion, I feel like it just makes me want to do it more. This is the ball and the gear. It's the last one. And you just kind of go like this. It's kind of like two fidgets in one, because this one you can just I don't know, if you have a combination lock, you kind of get used to hearing that noise. The ball you can just rub. I think it's supposed to go something like this, where you do two at once. And that's the Fidget Cube. Since I lost my other one, I haven't had that one. I haven't had a Fidget Cube in a while, so I'm still I'm adjusting to it and getting used to it. But it helped me when I had the other one, so we will see if that helps. I need my hair trimmed. It is long. I hope you are enjoying not beta. I hope y'all are enjoying Vlogmas. It is only day 2, so we will see how we do. I am the next video. I don't have my schedule, but I'm going to show you my schedule for this month. Bye.